Hi guys, this is Lawrence from Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. This is another video about the Eonon ua12s. You know what? I've never had so many updates on an Android anything, tablet, or it's been 2 months now since I've had this head unit, and here we go. So let's just take you through, if you're new to these Android head units. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into your apps, your app drawer, and you're going to go to settings, and in settings you're going to go to system and then check for updates, and normally all your updates should be in here. Now this has got to be the 5th time I've gotten an update. So if you can see, hello, how you doing? Over here, they solved the following problems now. Unable to remember Bluetooth name after online upgrade. Car stereo freezes when reversing. Black screen appears when using mirroring screen function. I don't use that. I just have it connected with my Bluetooth. The up and down knobs of the A12s, the E39 A12s and the TYT A12s car stereos are reversed when playing music through CarPlay. SIM card pin code input interface is not fully displayed, and CarPlay Android Auto navigation audio mixing function is optimized. And new functions, the E39 A12s and E46 A12s car stereos add PDC display driving computer settings and timed ventilation functions. No idea what that is. Manual upgrade of CAN bus software is required to achieve these. So as usual, I'll always say, let's clean up the cache first of all. Okay, done. Check version. As usual, I'll say download it. You have to download the system updates. It makes it better. So what we're going to do is we're going to click download. Before I click download, what I want to say is, Eonon, if you're watching this, please add navigation buttons, on-screen navigation buttons, like you would in a tablet. It's Android. You have to do this. I have to download a separate application for anyone that wants to know. The application is called hold on a second, let me get rid of this. The application is called, where are we? Navigation bar. There it is, right there. So then you just, it puts this on, so you can switch it on and off. But I want to switch it, I want it switched on all the time, but unfortunately you can't. So that's why they have to put that there. It has to run over your other programs, and then it works. So like I said, go into your settings and download. So this was Lawrence from Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit me up with a comment. What stereo system do you have in your car? What Android unit do you have in your car? Are you enjoying it if you have an Eonon? Do you have an A-Toto? Do you have an iJoying? Let me know what you got. If you're enjoying it, let me know. Have a nice day. Bye.